Hey y'all, so this week we're talking about color matching. So I want you to go into your Seesaw, take a screenshot of the gradients you have here, and let's upload them into Sketches School. So I actually have a trick that I figured out for you guys today. So I know when we bring in a picture, you wish you could just tap and fill in those squares, but you can't because Sketches School reads the picture on one layer and you're drawing on another. Now here's the trick. Just hit undo until your picture is gone and hit redo to bring it back. And then Sketches School reads the picture and your drawing on the same layer, meaning you can just tap and fill in. Makes life a whole lot easier. Now we're going to start by trying to find the color of the first square or the hue, which we know looks like red, and if I choose the Sketches School red, it's close but not quite right. But if you press and hold down on that red, you can get this screen, which helps you customize your colors even more. Going straight to the left makes your color lighter, going straight down makes your color darker, and going towards the middle desaturates your color. You can kind of click around here and find the red that looks right to you, and when you're done, hit modify. Once your first square is done and you find the right hue, press and hold down the red again, and we're going to try going straight over to the left, and we're going to tint our color. When you tint a color, you're adding white to it. And hit modify when you're done. This may take you a few tries to get close to the right color. I want you to try to get as close as possible, but it doesn't have to be exact. But when you're playing around with this tool, you get a better idea for color mixing. When you go down, your color becomes more gray. If you stay really, really close to the top, your color is closest to red as possible. And then still moving to the left gives you an even lighter color. The point of this activity is to have a good understanding with this tool or practice using this tool so that it makes it easier for you to choose your colors later on. Now moving over to the blue, this one's a little bit harder, but go to the blue that's closest to the hue that you see on your screen. And if you notice, the blue that you're supposed to match is a little bit darker and a little bit more, it has a little bit more gray in it. So I'm going to go a little bit closer to the middle and down, and that gets us pretty close. Now for this gradient, we are going darker, or we're adding more black to our color, so we're creating a shade. So we're going to go straight down to try to find our shade. Next, we're moving on to yellow. So to get the brightest possible color, you're going to go all the way to the top and all the way over to the right. And that's going to get us pretty close to our yellow. For our last gradient, we are creating a tone, which means we are adding gray. So for this one, we're going to kind of stay in the middle. And this one will probably take the most playing around to get the colors to match. And that's okay. Do your best, and when you're done, save your picture or screenshot it and upload it to Seesaw. Good luck!